let's differentiate first the concept of mental health versus the mental illness. Now, when it comes to mental health, okay, when it comes to mental health, wala tayong definite or wala tayong specific na definition when it comes to mental health, no? Ang basis lang ng ating definition is from the WHO's definition of health. Mental health now is a state of emotional, psychological, and social wellness. So highlight natin yung emotional, psychological, and social wellness. So ibig sabihin, tatlo po yung tatlo po yung tinitignan natin dito. The emotions of the person or your emotions, your psychological or mental condition, okay, and your social wellness. Ibig sabihin how you get along with others, how you talk to others, how you treat them, okay? And this is evidenced by satisfying interpersonal relationships, effective behavior, and coping positive self-concept and emotional stability. So let's first talk about satisfying interpersonal relationships. So part ito ng social wellness, no? If you are satisfied with the companies of other people, then that is said to be that you are in a good mental health. When it comes to effective behavior, no? Every day we are subject to stress. Every day we are subject to different kinds of or different forms of stress. Now, how we behave, okay, or um, how we deal with these stresses, okay, if it is effective or not effective, yun ang magdedetermine ng ating mental health or mental wellness. Aside from that, yung ating coping and positive self-concept, it is how you view yourself as a person. Okay? So if you're a type of person na you think you're really negative about yourself, then that is the maladaptive behavior. But if despite all the stress, the traumas that you have undergone, but still you are intact and your positive self of concept is still there, then that means you are mentally well. Okay? And of course, yung ating tinatawag na emotional stability. This talks about your moods, okay? How you feel towards each situation in your life. Okay?